So Ben, I want to test you on variances.
Sure, I am ready.
This graphic should allow you to calculate CV on the left and SV on the right. Can you calculate CV and SV?
Ooh, that is easy since you provided the formulas. They are both negative 100,000.
Exactly. Since they are both equal in amount, would you say that the two metrics are equally unfavorable?
That is a tough one. They appear to be equally unfavorable since they are both negative 100K.
Well, I can understand why you might think that. Let's convert these two variances into percentages. Now that we have the percentages, which is worse, CV or SV?
Wow, SV is much worse at negative 67%.
By expressing variances in percentages, we've added context and made different situations easier to compare.
Sure did.
Another way to add context is to convert variances into indices.
I see how to calculate these indices called CPI and SPI, but more importantly, I see that they are measurements of efficiency.
Now we have all three metrics: the variances, the variance percentages, and the indices. The indices are telling a consistent story to the variance percentages.
Ooh, yes, CPI is 0.86. In comparison, the SPI is an anemic 0.33.
The CPI tells us the contractor is providing 86 cents of work for each dollar it is spending. The SPI tells us that they are only accomplishing 33 cents of work for each dollar of planned work. I caution you that schedule metrics can only give you a glimpse into problem areas. You need to also evaluate the integrated master schedule to see the whole picture.
Thanks for the warning. We must not rely solely on EVM metrics without context. Thanks again, Lita, for showing how indices and percentages provide more meaning to EVM analysis.